everyone. This is Shantan Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. The topic is real matrices. Under the real matrices, orthogonal matrices. Now, we are going to discuss the topic regarding the real matrices under the orthogonal matrices. First of all, before going to discuss that orthogonal matrices, what is the meaning of the transpose of a matrix? The transpose of a matrix is nothing but a matrix is obtained by interchanging the rows and columns, then the matrix is said to be transpose of the matrix. That means interchange the rows and columns. Whenever the interchange the rows and columns, it is equal to the given same matrix, the matrix is said to be symmetric. And as well as if it is a negative of the given matrix is said to be, that is a skew symmetric matrices. But here we are going to discuss that based upon the transpose of a matrix only. That means interchange the rows and columns only. And based upon this is the transpose of the matrices. Now we are going to discuss that is orthogonal matrix. The orthogonal matrix is nothing but a square matrix is said to be orthogonal if the condition A into A transpose is equal to A transpose into A is equal to I is the condition. That means A transpose is nothing but the transpose of the matrix and the product of the A matrix and again the transpose of the matrix and is equal to the transpose of the matrix and the given matrix, then the resulting matrix is equal to the unit matrix. Therefore, such type of this condition is said to be the orthogonal matrices. And before going to discuss this one, it is what we are mentioned here, that is a transpose of the matrix. These are the four conditions we need to remember. One is A transpose of whole transpose is equal to A and AB whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose and K into A whole transpose is equal to K into A transpose where K is a scalar. And similarly, AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. We need to remember at the time of the orthogonal matrices, that is, these are the four conditions. And again, what are the orthogonal matrices properties? That also very important role in the under the orthogonal matrices. The properties of the orthogonal matrices are nothing but we get that orthogonal matrices, we should be the given matrix is a square matrices. The main condition is the given matrix is a satisfied the symmetric square matrices. And second one, the orthogonal matrices has all the real elements in the given matrices. And third one, all identity matrices are also the orthogonal matrices. That means when we are observing this is the third statement, it is a identity matrix. The identity matrix is nothing but previously we discussed based upon the identity matrices, the orthogonal matrices are clearly satisfied. The product of the two orthogonal matrices is also the orthogonal matrices. Means if the given matrix is said to be orthogonal and based upon that other matrix is also similarly the orthogonal matrices, therefore the product of the two orthogonal matrices is also the orthogonal matrices. And next one, the collection of the eigen orthogonal matrices of order n by n in a group is called as an orthogonal group, and also it is denoted by the orthogonal. That means orthogonal is starting with the letter is O, that is a 0. Therefore, it is denoted like that is a 0. The transpose of the orthogonal matrices is also the orthogonal matrices. This is also important, the condition. The transpose of the orthogonal matrices is also the orthogonal matrices. In the same way, the inverse of the orthogonal matrices is also the orthogonal matrices. These are the very important to remember. If it is A is the orthogonal, the transpose of the matrix is also the orthogonal. And if it is A is the orthogonal, the inverse of the orthogonal matrix is also the orthogonal. And one more important to remember here, if it is a matrix is said to be orthogonal, the determinant of the orthogonal matrices is always the value is a plus or minus 1 only the condition. And example, simple example for the purpose of this one, here for example, A is orthogonal is nothing but A into A transpose is equal to that is I. Therefore, based upon this one, A into that A transpose is nothing but it is a symmetric matrix. For example, it is a consider. Therefore, A into A is equal to I only. Therefore, A into A is nothing but it is A square is equal to Y. Therefore, A square is equal to Y is nothing but A is equal to that is a plus or minus 1 is a value. Therefore, this is the simple example. If the matrix is orthogonal, then automatically the determinant of the given matrix is also that is a plus or minus 1 is a condition. And it is a symmetric nature. The why? Because it is a symmetric nature, it is nothing but the matrix is automatically the orthogonal, it is nothing but the symmetric. And next one, if the matrix is orthogonal, the transpose and the inverse are also equal. That is an important condition. For example, coming to this is a simple example. Determine if A is an orthogonal matrix. If A is an orthogonal matrix means what it is here? According to by the definition of the orthogonal, we need to show that that is A into that is a transpose is equal to I. If it is a satisfied A into A transpose equal to I, then the matrix is said to be orthogonal. But for example, here given problem is A is equal to -1, 0, 0, 1. Therefore, by using this condition, we need to find that what is the transpose of the matrix. Therefore, here the transpose of the matrix is nothing but interchange the rows and columns. Therefore, it is a -1, 0 and 0, 1. But in this example, there is a no change. It is automatically the same values you got it, the condition. Therefore, here according to by the definition, when we are applying like that A into A transpose, that is nothing but one by one the product, the multiplication of the two matrices, then you get clearly 1, 0, 0, 1 is obtained. Therefore, according to this matrix is satisfied the orthogonal matrix. Next one, show that if the matrix is a orthogonal, and similarly here also whether it is a matrix is a orthogonal or not. Same, it is also by the definition of the orthogonal matrices. Therefore, we need to show that similarly here also the previously problem by the definition of orthogonal A into A transpose is equal to I. Therefore, in this given problem, A is a matrix assumption. Therefore, A is equal to a cos theta, sin theta and minus sin theta, cos theta. Therefore, for the purpose of the verification, we need to find out what is the transpose of the matrix. Therefore, the A transpose is equal to, that is interchange the rows and columns. Therefore, after applying the rows and columns, that is a cos theta and sin theta minus sin theta and cos theta. Therefore, now you need to applying what is the transpose into A, otherwise A into A transpose. Therefore, A is equal to this is the clearly the given matrix. The transpose of the matrix is also already completed. Therefore, when we are multiplication with this is the A and again it is A transpose. Therefore, by the product of the multiplication the two matrices, therefore it is clearly cos square theta plus sin square theta minus cos theta sin theta plus cos theta sin theta. And next to second row, it is a minus sin theta cos theta plus cos theta sin theta, and last value it is a cos square theta plus sin square theta. And everyone knows the value of the cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. And again here also the cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 only. And again the rest of the terms, it is a minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta, both are the cancel. And again here also minus cos theta plus sin theta cos theta is equal to cancel. Therefore, it is also 0. Therefore, by using this condition, it is a 1, 0, 0, 1. Therefore, the value is equal to 1 is a value. Therefore, finally, therefore, the given matrix is satisfied. A is a orthogonal matrices. And again, for example, alternate method to find whether it is a matrix is orthogonal or not, according to one of the property just now I am given, whenever it is a matrix is said to be that is orthogonal matrices, the delta of A is equal to either it may be plus or minus 1, it is a required to satisfied. If it is a plus or minus 1 is a satisfied, then only the given matrix is a satisfied. But luckily, this problem we verified it is a matrix is a orthogonal. But alternately, we need to check the cross verification. The data of A is nothing but the data of cos theta and again sin theta and again minus sin theta and again next is a last is a cos theta. Therefore, the data when we are applying on this given matrices, the data is nothing but A, B, C, D is the data of the 2 by 2 matrices, AD minus BC. Therefore, AD minus BC is nothing but it is a cos square theta plus BC is minus BC is nothing but it is a sin square theta. Therefore, the cos square theta plus sin square theta is nothing but 1. Therefore, according to our required, the solution is we need either plus 1 or minus 1. That depends upon the given problem. Therefore, in this problem, we obtain the value is equal to 1. Therefore, the problem is satisfied. The given matrix is a orthogonal matrix. Next one, similarly, prove that the matrix 1 by 3 into minus 1, 2, 2, 2 minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 2 minus 1 is also orthogonal. Same, it is also by the definition of orthogonal, we need to show that what is the value of whether it is a into A transpose equal to I or not. You need to check it the problem. Therefore, the given assumption the problem is the matrix is A is equal to 1 by 3 into minus 1, 2, 2, 2 minus 1, 2, 2, 2 minus 1. And next we need to find out what is the transpose of the matrix. Therefore, the transpose of the matrix is nothing but interchange the rows and columns. Therefore, 1 by 3 into after interchanging the rows and columns, the given matrix is the A transpose is equal to reduced to 1 by 3 into minus 1, 2, 2 and 2 minus 1 2, 2 2 minus 1. Clearly we obtain that. Next is consider what is the value of A into A transpose. Therefore, A into A transpose is equal to, when we are multiplication this A matrix and also this is the A transpose, here 1 by 3 it is there prefix, and again it is also 1 by 3 is there. This 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 together, the multiplication, that is 1 by 9. Therefore 1 by 9 into the product of that is A matrix and again it is A transpose according to the 3 by 3, that is a 3 by 3 matrices. Finally we got it is a 1 by 9 into the remaining the elements are according to the 3 by 3 matrices 900 and 090009. We obtain that properly. And after getting this one, when we are dividing like that 1 by 9 inside of that each and every element, that is clearly you got it, that is a 100, 010 and 001 is a value. That is nothing but it is clearly the unit matrix of order 3. Therefore, it is nothing but I is a matrix. Therefore, A into A transpose is equal to I. And similarly, if you want a clarification, you need to prove that that is A transpose into A is equal to I is a matrix is satisfied. Therefore, with the help of this is the A into A transpose is equal to I, they verified. Therefore, the given matrix is clearly said to be the orthogonal matrix. And again, next one, determine the values are A comma B comma C whenever the given matrix is the orthogonal matrix. Therefore, here the matrix is consider given that 3 by 3 matrices. Therefore, it is A is a matrix, that is 3 by 3 elements are 0, 2B, C and A, B minus C, A minus B, C. Similarly, the transpose of when we are applying like that, you may got it here 0, 2B, C and second column A, B minus C. The third column it is A minus B, C is equal to, we need to show that is consider I. Why? Because in this problem, given matrix is a orthogonal matrix, means the given matrix is orthogonal is nothing but A into A transpose is equal to I. With the help of this is the condition only, you need to find out whatever the values are A comma B comma C. This is the problem is involving unknown values, that is A comma B comma C. Therefore, by the definition of orthogonal matrices comparison, then you need to find out whatever the A comma B comma C. Therefore, according to by the definition, it is A into A transpose equal to I. Therefore, by product applying the 3 by 3 matrices, then the resulting matrix is a 4B square plus C square, 2B square minus C square, and the third value is a minus 2B square plus C square, and second row, that is a 2B square minus C square, A square plus B square plus C square, A square minus B square minus C square, minus 2B square plus C square, and A square minus B square minus C square, A square plus B square plus C square is equal to, that is a I. Why? Because according to by the definition of this is the unit matrix, but the given matrix is order is a 3 by 3. Therefore, you consider the unit matrix is also order is a 3 by 3. Therefore, with corresponding to this one, that is a consider I3 is nothing but 100, 010 and 001 is a value. Therefore, now we need to find out whatever with the help of this is the getting the 3 by 3 matrix and consider the I3 matrices. Then you need to find out whatever that A comma B comma C. Then at the time of that solving, this is the corresponding that each and every element. Here one of the value is equating, that is a 2B square minus C square is equal to 0. And again the second value is a square minus B square minus C square is equal to 0. The corresponding the values. Why? Because that second element, there is a second column, second element is equal to it is a 0. And again that third element that is equal to corresponding that it is equal to also consider 0. By equating these two equation, by solving this one, therefore we get that C is equal to plus or minus root B. Why? Because the 2B square is equal to C square, that is nothing but C square is equal to 2B square. That value you had to replace in the second equation. Finally, you got it C is equal to plus or minus 2B. And again similarly, that A square is equal to B square plus 2B square is equal to 3B square. Therefore, by using this equation is also that A is equal to, you may got it, that is a plus or minus root 3B into value. Therefore, from the diagonal matrices, one other value is also 4B square plus C square is a value. Therefore, 4B square plus C square is nothing but already we consider that is a C is equal to plus or minus 2B. Otherwise, that is a 2B square, that is a C square is nothing but that is a 2B, that is a 2B square. Therefore, 4B square plus 2B square is nothing but that is a one value, that is assumption. Therefore, C square is equal to 2B square. And again, by using this one, that B is equal to, that is a plus or minus 1 by root 6 is a value. And similarly, by obtaining this is the B is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 6. And similarly, when we are solving that A is equal to also corresponding, you may get plus or minus root 3 into B. By using this equation, by replacement of we obtained previously that b is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 6, then you need to replace here. Finally we got it, a is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2 and b is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 6 and c is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3 is a value. Therefore entirely in this problem, this is a given problem is indirectly they are asking to find the values are a comma b comma c, but in this problem they are given that the given matrix is a orthogonal matrices. By using the definition of the orthogonal matrices only, we obtain the values are a comma b comma c is a value. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.